red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, green color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and use red color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use black color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Light green color, dark purple color, orange color, dark blue color, sky blue color, dark green color, brown color, light green color, red color, light purple color, black color, and dark pink color. It's now you draw 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6. The numbers of 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now you draw 11. The numbers of 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's now you draw 16. The numbers of 16, 16, 17, 18,
W, X, Y, and Z.
19,
Now I know my ABCs.
and 20. Red color, yellow color, blue color,
C, D, E, F,
green color,
H, I, J, K,
brown color,
Q, R,
and black color.
T, U, V,
Kids, now you draw A and use
Y, and
red color.
now I know my ABCs. Next time
A for apple,
with me.
B for ball,
C, D, E, F, G,
C for cat,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
D for dog,
T, U, V, W,
E for elephant,
Y, and Z. Now I know my
F for fish,
Next time won't you sing
G for goat. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, and N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use blue color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher. It's now you draw U and use green color. U for umbrella, V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.